In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Photoshop document as a PDF, ensuring it's done just right for whatever purpose you have in mind, whether it's for printing or sharing digitally. First things first, make sure your document is set up correctly. This includes having your layers, resolution, and color mode adjusted to your needs. Once your document is ready, we're going to dig into the process of saving your work. Now, look up at the top menu. Here, you'll want to locate and select File. From the drop-down options that appear, go ahead and choose Save As. This action will bring up the Save As dialog box, which is where we can start tailoring how and where to save your file. The first thing you'll consider in this box is your file name and location. In the fields provided, enter a file name that suits your project and choose a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. Organization is key, especially for larger bodies of work, so make sure the location is one you regularly access and is well organized. Next, you'll focus on the Format drop-down, also known as Save as Type in some versions. Click on this drop-down menu and select Photoshop PDF from the list of options. At this point, if you think you might still want your original PSD file to remain editable, you can check the box labeled as a copy. This ensures that you do not overwrite your working file, preserving your original layers and project structure. With those selections made, click the Save button. This will bring up another important window called the Save Adobe PDF dialog, which has a variety of options to consider. Depending on how you intend to use your PDF, you'll choose a PDF preset next. For printing, you'd typically select something like High Quality Print or a press-ready preset such as PDF/X. However, if your work is meant for digital or web sharing, then smallest file size might be your preferred choice. These presets help optimize your file for the intended use, balancing quality and file size. In the left pane of this window, you'll find several tabs to review: General, Compression, Output, and Security. Here, you can adjust options like compatibility with different Acrobat versions, image resampling, color management, and even security settings such as adding a password or setting permissions. Make these adjustments thoughtfully, keeping in mind the end use of your file. Once you're confident with the settings, go ahead and click Save PDF. Photoshop will then generate your file based on the parameters you've set. As a final step, open the saved PDF in a PDF viewer. This quick review allows you to verify that all text, images, and necessary layers are just as you intended. By following these steps, you can ensure your document is perfectly tailored to its purpose, maintaining both quality and integrity, whether printed or shared digitally.